Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about basic geometrical concept beta. So let's start with that chapter. So plane. We come across a lot of plane surface in our everyday life. The top of a table ये plane होता है. The surface of a wall वो भी हमारी plane होती है. The surface of a paper, the face of a blackboard are all flat surfaces. ये सारे इसके क्या होते हैं? Flat surfaces होते हैं. In mathematics, a smooth flat surface which extends endlessly in all the directions is called a plane beta. A plane has no boundary. उसकी कोई boundary नहीं होती है और वो endlessly बढ़ते हैं. So we draw figures such as a triangle, rectangle, circles, etc. in a plane. So we can call them as a क्या बोलेंगे? Yes, it's a plane figure beta. I hope you understood about plane. So now let's read about point. So ये point क्या होते हैं? Let's see. A point is a mark of a positions. Usually a point dot marked with a sharp edge pencils represent a point. In a given figure, A is a point. A point has no length, no breadth and no thickness beta. Just like this one. So ये हमारा है point. इसकी कोई length नहीं होती, इसका कोई size नहीं होता. I hope you understood well. Now just read about line segment. So line segment क्या होते हैं? Let A and B be 2 points on the plane of a paper. The straight path from A to B is called the line segment AB. This is denoted by AB. So we may also call it like line segment BA. So denoted by BA. So this is our line segment और ये हम इसको इस तरीके से लिखेंगे like A और B और ये हमारा इसका ये sign होता है. I hope you understood well. The point A and B are called the end points of AB. The distance between the point A and B is called the length of AB. The point A and B are called the end point of AB. The distance between the point A and B is called the length of AB beta. I hope you understood about line segment. So now just read it line. So line क्या होती है? A line segment extended endlessly on both sides is called a line. दोनों तरफ वो endlessly हम उसको बढ़ा सकते हैं. Thus the line segment AB extended on both sides and marked by arrow marks at the two ends represent a line denoted by AB और BA. हम उसको AB और BA दोनों तरीके से रीड कर सकते हैं और उसके ऊपर हम इस तरीके से मार्क लगाएंगे. Why? Because ये दोनों साइड से हमारे endlessly बढ़ती है. Hope you understood. So like this way, arrow in opposite directions indicates that line is endless. Sometime a line is represented by a small letter L, M, N, etc. So in the adjoining figure, L is a line. Okay, हम इसको किस तरीके से इस small L और small m किसी भी तरीके से उसको define कर सकते हैं. So a line has no end point. So line के हमने क्या सीखा? कोई end point उसके नहीं होते हैं. A line doesn't have a definite length. उसकी कोई fixed length भी नहीं होती है. Since the line is endless, it can't be drawn on a paper. We can simply represent a line as done above. An infinite number of lines can be drawn through a given points. However, only one line can be drawn through two given points A and B. That means line AB beta. Hope you understood about line. So now ray. Ray क्या होता है? Let's see. Have you ever observed a narrow beam of light emerging from a torch or the light rays from the sun? कभी आपने देखा है कि हम जब टॉर्च ऑन करते हैं तो उसमें से कुछ रेज निकलती है या सन में से हमने कभी रेज आती हुई देखी है. So these light beams emerge from the light source and go on endlessly in a one directions. So this is the basic concept of a ray beta. A line segment extended endlessly in a one directions is called a ray. Thus, a line segment AB extended in the directions from A to B and marked by an arrow mark at B represented a ray AB डिनोटेड बाय ए बी, और उसका मार्क हमारा एक तरफ से ही आएगा, लाइक दिस वन बेटा, इस तरीके से. I hope you understood. Clearly, a ray AB has one endpoint, namely A beta. So, this endpoint A of ray AB called its initial point. Since a ray is endless in a one direction, it can't be drawn on a paper. So, we can simply represent a ray as done above. Clearly, a ray has no definite length beta. I hope you understood कि उसका एक एंड पॉइंट होता है और हम उसका कोई डेफिनेट लेंथ हमें नहीं गिवन होता है. So AB is a ray with initial point A and extendedly and endlessly in the directions from A to B represented by like this one बेटा. क्या है ये? A पे हमारा ये एक पॉइंट गिवन है और यहाँ से स्टार्ट होकर वो B की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहा है, बट उसका कोई एंड गिवन नहीं है. ओके, वो एंडलेसली बढ़ाया जा सकता है. सो BA is a ray with initial point B and extendedly endlessly in the directions from B to A represented by like this one. So, we can say that clearly ray AB and ray BA are two different rays. ये हमारे दो different rays हैं. I hope you understood about ray. Now measuring line segment. Line segment को measure कैसे करते हैं? Let's see. To measure a line segment we need a ruler. Of course हमें ruler चाहिए. One edge of a ruler is marked in a centimeter. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small division. So each small division is called a millimeter. I hope you understood. आपने स्केल देखा है ना, उसके बीच में छोटे छोटे जो मार्क होते हैं वो हमारे क्या कहलाते हैं? मिलीमीटर्स कहलाते हैं. So let's see the examples for more clarity about this one. So measure the length of a given line segment AB. हमें इसकी मेजरमेंट करनी है कि इसकी लेंथ कितनी है. So what we need to do, place the edge of the ruler along line segment AB, keeping the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler at the point A. Read the mark on the ruler at the point B, like this one. इस तरीके से हमने place कर दिया, ये A है, हमारा ये B है. So we observe that end point B is कितना given है? It's a 5 small division ahead of 5 centimeter mark. 5 से 5 तो हमारा ये है, 5 से भी वो आगे कितना आगे गिवन है? 5 और स्मॉल डिविजन्स वो आगे जा रहा है. सो वी कैन ईजिली से दैट द लेंथ ऑफ ए बी इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर 5 मिलीमीटर बेटा, क्योंकि ये हमारा 1 हो गया, 2 3 4 5. ये तो 5 हमारे कंप्लीट है सेंटीमीटर में, बट उसके बाद ये जो छोटे छोटे हमें गिवन होते हैं वो मिलीमीटर होता है. तो दैट मीन्स इसकी लेंथ कितनी आई? 5 सेंटीमीटर और 5 millimeter बेटा. This is how we just measure the length of line segment. Now distinctions between a line segment, a line and a ray. क्या distinctions होता है इनके बीच में, तीनों के बीच में? Let's analyze. So a line segment first. A line segment has 2 endpoints, but a line has no endpoints. A ray has only one endpoint. I hope you understood. Next, a line segment has a definite length. उसकी fixed length given होती है. A line doesn't have a definite length, but उसकी कोई length हमें given नहीं होती है, definite length उसकी नहीं होती है. A ray doesn't have a definite length also. Now, third point. A line segment can be drawn on a paper. जब उसकी fixed length होती है तो उसको paper में draw कर सकते हैं. But a line cannot be drawn on a paper. We can simply represent a line by a diagram like this one. इस तरीके से arrow करके हमें show करना पड़ता है. Third one is a ray cannot be drawn on a paper. We can simply represent a ray by a diagram. This arrow beta. Hope you understood about a line segment, a line and a ray. Now just see the texting time 15.1. Here it is given, which of the following has one end point. किसका end point होता है? A line का, line segment का होता है कि plane का होता है कि ray होता है? हमने अभी अभी ray की properties पढ़ी, so we can say that इसका आंसर आएगा a ray बेटा. I hope you understood well. So these are the beta other questions. You have to complete it yourselves. It's very easy. Just read and practice well. So now just move on. Things to remember. First one is a smooth flat surface which extends endlessly in all the directions. It's called a plane. A point is an exact locations. Let A and B two given points, then the straight path between A and B is called the line segment AB. AB extended endlessly in both the directions is called the line AB beta. AB extend endlessly in the directions from A to B is called a ray AB. A line segment has two endpoints, a ray has one endpoint और line की क्या होती है, no endpoint होते हैं बेटा. 7.1 is a line segment has a definite length, a line as well as a ray has yes no definite length beta. I hope you understood all points very nicely. So with this we have ended up the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.